Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or assign different controllers to different players. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu. From here you can press any button and you will now see various different options including system. If you go into the system menu and then go into options, you will now be asked to choose your player. You can choose any player from the ones that are shown. And after you have chosen your player, you can navigate to various other settings by using your bumper or your L1 R1 button, as well as the Q and E button on your keyboard. Once you get into the Game 2 settings, scroll all the way down, and now you will see the keyboard/mouse control option, which can be changed for the multiplayer mode. If you wish to assign the keyboard or mouse to player 1, then make sure that this option is set to player 1 as well. If you wish for player 2 to be the one to play with keyboard and mouse, then you can change this button and switch the multiplayer mode option to player 2. After this, you can just click on Finish Setup, and now your settings will have been saved. You can change this setting at any point of time by once again going into the same page and changing the keyboard mouse control from the Game 2 screen. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to assign the various controllers to different players on the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.